Hey y'all, I'm going to try something new, a little different here. But one thing I can do that keeps my mind off of eating and food is to stay busy. And I'm not all that crafty, I'm a little crafty, but my favorite thing is to make wreaths. And with it being like a billion degrees outside, I decided I'm going to make a fall wreath and hoping that it will bring cooler weather along with making this wreath. And also, just a little disclaimer, my video kind of messed up, so it's going to be kind of cockeyed. Just bear with me, and I'm sorry. I'll make sure it is right the next time. Alright, goodbye summer wreath, hello fall wreath, and let's hope it brings cooler weather down to the south, because I'm not sure if we can take it much longer. Okay, here's all the items that I'm thinking about using for this wreath. I got everything from between Michael's, Walmart, the Dollar Tree, and some things I've had from the past. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, here's where I said that it came out kind of cockeyed. Don't ask me how it happened. I have no idea, because the whole time I was watching it, and as I was doing this wreath, it looked normal. But when I go to watch it back after I completed the wreath, this is how it looks. And yes, I did it on my cell phone, but don't ask, I don't know. But what I did pretty much was just put the sign in as good as I could in my grapevine wreath. And it stayed stable. I had it in between all the grapevine, and it didn't move. And then I just picked out the flowers that I thought went well with this sign, and I just placed it in the wreath. I glue it later, but at first put everything, place it how I like it, and see how it looks, and then I go back and I glue it. So that's pretty much all I did for this wreath. It was just so easy. That's why I like making wreaths. That's why I feel like I'm pretty good at making wreaths, because it's pretty much how you like it and what flowers you like, what looks good with your home, and I just chose what looks good with the sign. So that is pretty much all I did. And you can do the same thing. I got the sign at the Dollar Tree, but they had great signs at Walmart, at Hobby Lobby. You just pick out what you like and the flowers that go along with the sign and with your home and with your taste, and that's all you have to do. And it's just something to keep you busy, and also beautifies your home. Okay, so I felt really bad about the poor video quality, so I thought I'd show you some decorations that I put out for fall. I don't decorate a ton. I have a very small house, but I just put out a few touches here and there of fall, just to get me in the mood and the spirit and hoping for cooler weather. I also decided to put out some fall flags. Even though everything is still green, practically dying from the heat, but still green, I thought some fall flags would also put me in the spirit and ready for the new season. I'm telling y'all, it has to be 100 degrees outside. I am just sweating buckets videotaping flags. That's all I'm doing. I hope you enjoyed my first crafting video. I hope if I make another one that it will be a little better, better quality. And I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. Looks like someone likes my wreath.